Tesla's Robotaxi event is just days away, and it could be the single biggest catalyst to send the stock price soaring to 300. But there's one critical detail that could catch investors completely off guard. Could this event turn into a game changer for Tesla, or are we looking at another case of overhyped promises? Stay tuned because you'll want to know exactly what's coming next before making your next move. Tesla has been chasing the dream of full autonomy for years now, selling their full self-driving FSD package since 2016, with promises that future updates would unlock complete autonomy. But fast forward to today, and full self-driving is still out of reach. So why is this Robotaxi event so important? Investors and fans alike are expecting Tesla to unveil something revolutionary. Could this event be the moment where Tesla finally delivers on its self-driving promises, or is there more going on behind the scenes that we're not being told? And if the new Robotaxi hardware is revealed, what will it mean for those who have already invested in the FSD system? It's these questions that are making Tesla shareholders nervous and excited at the same time. Now, Wall Street is buzzing with predictions about Tesla's upcoming Robotaxi event, and opinions are split. Some analysts are predicting that this will be the moment that sends Tesla's stock soaring to new heights. Dan Ives of Wedbush calls it a historic day, with potential for Tesla to break into the autonomous driving space in a way that could change the game. He's pegged Tesla stock at 300, confident that this event will propel the company into AI-driven dominance. But not everyone is convinced. Others are sounding the alarm, suggesting Tesla is lagging behind companies like Waymo and Cruise, which already have robotaxis operating on the road. They see the October 10 event as Tesla playing catch-up rather than leading the pack. So, who's right? Could this event really push Tesla stock to 300, or are the skeptics onto something that investors should take seriously? One of the biggest questions on everyone's mind is what hardware Tesla will unveil at this event. For years, Tesla has been selling its full self-driving FSD package, promising that future software updates would unlock the full potential of autonomous driving. But here we are years later, and the dream of true self-driving is still just that, a dream. Investors are starting to wonder if Tesla has been holding back, waiting for this very moment to introduce new hardware designed specifically for robotaxis. If Tesla does reveal new hardware at this event, it could be a game changer. But for those who've already paid thousands of dollars for the FSD package, this could be a bitter pill to swallow. Imagine investing in Tesla's self-driving vision, only to find out that the technology you need for full autonomy isn't available for your car, or worse, isn't retrofittable. Could this cause a backlash from Tesla's loyal customer base, or will the excitement of what's next overshadow any negative reactions? As Tesla prepares to unveil its Robotaxi, it's important to remember that they're not alone in this race. Companies like Waymo, backed by Google's parent company Alphabet, and Cruise, owned by General Motors, are already operating robotaxi fleets in several U.S. cities. These competitors have been working closely with regulators for years, giving them a clear head start. Tesla, on the other hand, has focused more on pushing the boundaries with its vehicles, but it still has hurdles to clear when it comes to regulatory approval for its autonomous technology. The big question is, can Tesla leapfrog over these established players and dominate the autonomous driving market, or is the company just catching up to the competition? And if Tesla is late to the game, what does that mean for its stock price? Some experts believe Tesla's brand power and its massive fan base could give it the edge, but others argue that this delay could hurt their credibility in the long run. What do you think? Will Tesla be able to steal the spotlight, or are they falling behind? When it comes to Tesla's stock price, opinions are all over the map. Some analysts are calling this Robotaxi event a pivotal moment that could send Tesla stock soaring to 300, while others are urging caution. Dan Ives, a well-known Tesla bull, believes this is the beginning of a new era for the company, one that ties its fortunes not just to electric vehicles, but to artificial intelligence and autonomous ride-sharing. According to Ives, Tesla is an undervalued AI play, and he's confident that the stock will reach that 300 mark after the event. But not all analysts are so optimistic. Deutsche Bank, while giving Tesla a buy rating, warns that the high expectations surrounding this launch could lead to disappointment, calling it a potential sell-the-news moment. And analysts at Bernstein are even more skeptical, pointing out that Tesla still has regulatory hurdles to clear before its robotaxi fleet can hit the streets. If the event doesn't deliver on the lofty promises, could we see Tesla's stock tumble instead? With such divided opinions, Tesla's robotaxi unveiling is shaping up to be a high-stakes gamble for investors. Do you trust the bullish projections, or is the downside risk too great to ignore? So, will Tesla's robotaxi event truly push the stock to 300? Or are we in for another overhyped letdown? The reality is this event is more than just a product launch. It's Tesla's chance to prove it can deliver on its vision of autonomous driving and artificial intelligence. If Tesla unveils breakthrough hardware and outlines a clear path to making robotaxis a reality, the stock can surge as investors rally behind the company's futuristic goals. But we can't ignore the risks. Regulatory hurdles remain, competitors like Waymo and Cruise are already operational, and there's the potential backlash from Tesla owners who've invested in full self-driving only to find out they might need new hardware to experience true autonomy. These factors could temper the excitement and lead to a sell-off if the event falls short of expectations. In the end, it all comes down to execution. Tesla has built its reputation on pushing the boundaries of innovation, and if the Robotaxi event lives up to the hype, we could very well see that $300 stock price become a reality. But for now, investors should stay cautious, keep a close eye on the event, and be ready to act. And remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights on Tesla and the latest in the tech world.